Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about some common mistakes people make when using 11 labs and how to avoid them so your voiceovers sound clean, professional, and glitch-free. If you want to get the most out of AI voice generation, stick around and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. First mistake, putting too much text at once. When you feed long scripts all at once, especially with complex formatting or many paragraphs, the AI can break down. It may mispronounce words, glitch, or even switch accents mid-speech. To avoid this, chunk your text into smaller segments before generation. It helps the voice stay consistent and reduces chances of weird audio artifacts or sudden accent drift. Second mistake, using poor quality or inconsistent voice clone samples. If you clone a voice using audio that's noisy, has echo, or has inconsistent volume or tone, the AI will replicate those flaws, causing volume fluctuations, muffled speech, or tonal inconsistency. If you plan to clone your voice, use clean, quiet recordings with consistent microphone setup, and avoid mixing loud, soft passages. Third mistake, overloading with artificial pause or pace tags or overly complex formatting. Trying to force dramatic pacing by adding too many breaks, special tags, or weird punctuation can lead to instability. The speech might become choppy, unnatural, or distorted. For best results, keep formatting simple. Insert pauses sparingly, and let the AI handle most of the natural rhythm. Fourth mistake, relying blindly on AI-generated speech without checking pronunciation, accents, or language consistency. The AI can mispronounce names, acronyms, numbers, foreign words, or switch accents unexpectedly, especially if you use multilingual models or languages different from the voice's base language. Always listen to your final output carefully, especially for numbers or proper nouns, and correct or regenerate when needed. Fifth mistake, assuming AI voice equals human voice perfection. Ignoring ethical or consent issues for voice cloning. Using someone else's voice, even a friend's or a public voice, without explicit permission can lead to serious ethical or legal issues. And since synthesized voices can sound very realistic, misuse could lead to impersonation, trust problems, or misuse of someone's identity. Use voice cloning only when you own or have permission for the voice. Sixth mistake, expecting AI to handle heavy creative nuance or emotional depth perfectly. While 11 labs is powerful, AI-generated speech can still struggle with subtle emotional inflection, context-specific tone, or natural human expressiveness, especially in dramatic or emotionally heavy content. For highly nuanced narration or storytelling, you may need to manually edit or even mix in some real human voice lines for best results. Finally, seventh mistake, not saving or organizing your work carefully, especially with long-form projects. For long videos, audiobooks, or series content, if you don't break it into segments, label your files, or keep track of clones/versions, you might end up with messy files, inconsistent voices, or hard-to-edit projects down the line. Good file and project organization pays off big time when working with AI-generated content. If you found this breakdown helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share with other creators planning to use AI voice tools, and subscribe for more honest AI voice tips, tutorials, and tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.